guys, welcome back to the channel. I know I have not been on here a few days, but I'm telling you, the holiday just crept up on us, the 4th of July, and the time is so hot, and the summer is short, and all those things you just have to take in everything in the short period. So anyway, guys, this is a reaction channel, and on here, sometimes I criticize, sometimes I analyze. It's a peaceful channel. I don't mean no harm. It is more for entertaining. So if it's news, if it's gossip, come here so. It is right here so. Anyway, guys, if this is the first time on this channel, subscribe to the channel. And if I know your first time and you not subscribe, how you wait, pan? Now is the right time to subscribe. Anyway, what we are talking about now. When you hear them say, big, beautiful, what you think about? What is the first thing come to your mind? Leave a comment and tell me, when you hear somebody say big and beautiful, what you think about? Me know what me think about, but me want to hear what you think when them say big and beautiful. I know everything big and beautiful. Nice. Some big and beautiful things are very complicated, and this is one of them. It really big for true, but beautiful. One way me I talk about today is Trump bill. Big, beautiful bill. And it affect a whole lot of people. And one of the things where it affect people with is this visa business. So, anyway, welcome back. Today we're going to break down the important updates you need to know about US visa fees for Jamaicans. If you're interested in traveling to the US, or if you have relatives traveling to US, or if you're living in the United States and you're going to sponsor somebody, you better have your pocket must be heavier. Anyway, if you're planning to visit, work or study in the United States, this video is for you, because these changes could affect your plans and your budget. And as me say, me remind you again, hit that notification bell and subscribe to the channel and give me some likes, man. Give me some likes on the channel. I need the likes. If I don't get likes, I won't be able to promote. YouTube won't push out the video. And you know what? That is what me want, for YouTube to push the video out. Anyway, guys, this is not a joke, what I'm trying to say. This part, some of them are joke, some of them are critiques, some of them are whatever, the videos them when me put out. But this is not a joke. This is a serious business. So, if Jamaican are plan to visit the United States, they will face higher visa fees. And it's due to this new laws. We just passed the big, beautiful bill. The US government, them increase the cost for different types of visas, affecting families and individuals alike. You even have some people who come up on work visa. They could hardly find the money to pay to come here. Or I don't know, maybe the people them where bring them here pay the visa for them. I don't know how that work. But the struggles are real. Now, the standard visa fee for a tourist or visitor visa, the B1, B2, it has increased from $160 to US dollar to $185 US dollar. A Jamaican family visiting the US must now pay $435 per person in total, which includes an additional $250 on top of the regular fee of the $185. And certain visas, such as family, immigrant, student, and work visas, have also seen fees increases. The request fees for specific visas like J1, SH1, BST, NS, and E3S have increased to $580. Amendment fees for J1 visa documents have risen to $107. If you're applying for one of these visas, you will know what I talk about. And this video are for you. And temporary changes for work visa, there's a temporary increase in the number of H-2B non-immigrant visas available for this year. An extra 19,000 visas were made available for returning workers in the second half of 2025. However, as of April 18, 2025, enough petitions were received to reach the cap, so additional petitions will be rejected for the rest of the fiscal year. So if people want to come in under them visa and them type of visa there, and they not apply yet, they don't have nothing. They can't come again. For the entire fiscal 2025, the limit on H-2B visa have increased by approximately 64,716 visas. Now, the big problem is the increase, because me know people where I come and visitors visa, and is the people them in America have to send the money a Jamaica will give them so that they can travel. Now, some of these people, them long to see them family, and that's why they want to give them the opportunity, the experience to travel. But it's hard to find when them increase it. What Trump is doing, when him increase it, he's trying to reduce the amount of people coming into the country, and this is why he has upped the visa by so much. So a lot of people who want to travel will not be able to travel. Whether I will get all $435 US dollars, a lot of people can't find it. You have people who are retired and depend them civil servant pension and other types of pension. They won't be able to find it if you take a break. But Jamaicans better think about other countries where they want to take vacation. Take vacation, go to Canada. Take vacation, go to England. Because America is no longer affordable. And that is not no longer affordable. America is no longer attractive for anybody to visit. Anything them can get to America, they can get it to Canada. Anything they can get Canada, they can get it to England. So people have to start. And if they want to experience cold, because some people say they want to come in the winter for experience winter, America is not the only place we have winter. Right now, America tough. People on retirement with those big beautiful bill, it's still only look out for the wealthy. For example, they're talking about no taxes on social security and all them something there. If somebody's social security is under $70,000, they don't have nothing to get. The poor people, all them have to get is to lose their medical and all them something there. Because there's nothing for get to them. Poor people in America will remain poor and get poorer because cost of living gone up. But them they little bit of social security under 70,000. Nah, go nowhere. And it can't do nothing. So a lot of people going to have to pack them bag. And not only the poor go back to Jamaica. Some of these people have to go sooner or later going to have to pack them bag and find themselves back at Jamaica. Because if them getting under 1,000, not even 1,000 because rent is high. $1,000 can't pay rent again in America. The government used to help some people who social security was small, but now them going to cut it out, phase it out, where Medicare is not going to be cut out and all this. Anyway, me not going into that, but The reason why I make this channel is to tell people, say, listen now, if you plan to come on vacation, make sure you fork out your money because it going to cost a lot more to visit the United States. So guys, if you watch the video this far, thank you for watching. And remember, with these new visa fee increases and cap changes, it's more important than ever to plan ahead for your US travel or work ambitions. And not something where you just get up and say, oh, may I go America in the summer. You have to plan for it. And if you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up now and share it with friends or family who might be affected. Leave your questions or comments below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, stay informed and stay safe in your journey.